We started this business because we saw a need in Seattle for a detail-oriented window cleaning business. Eventually, we moved into cleaning gutters, roofs, pressure washing. Really, we thought we could do a much better job than what we'd seen out there as far as our competition, and we stick by that today.
Here at Better Window Cleaning, I think what makes us stand out from our competition is our accountability. Working with several different companies before we started this, we learned what works and what doesn't work. We decided to be fully licensed, bonded, insured. We really want accountability, and that's something I didn't see a lot in working with many other companies.
We work as a solid team here. We are in constant communication with our employees in the field. We really spend a lot of time getting them familiar with the tools and the skills necessary to deliver a high-quality product.
If any issue arises, we have several of us, including myself, that we're always on call, and we're here to help. We can answer questions our employees have, our clients have, if it's beyond any expertise of our crew.
A lot of companies that we experienced when we started our business were contractor-based businesses, and there was no accountability for the work that was being done. That's why we use an employee-based model. That way we are able to stand behind our work, and if something goes wrong, we're able to come back and fix it right away. Our hope is that you as a client will walk away from an experience with us with clean windows and all of your expectations met. Over the years, we have worked for thousands of homeowners and businesses in the Seattle area, most of which are referral or repeat clients. Even though weather in Seattle can be unpredictable, we work year-round. Our services are catered towards the seasons. In the spring and summer, we focus on window cleaning, pressure washing, and getting your property looking as good as it can. In the fall, we transition into more roof-oriented services. We focus on cleaning your roof and getting your roof's drainage ready for the seasonal rains. We clean gutters and the moss from your roof to improve your roof's drainage, and we also set up holiday lights. We use ladders and water-fed pole systems to reach heights up to 45 feet. Water-fed pole systems are very common in our industry these days as they keep us off of ladders and out of harm's way. However, sometimes we get calls from people who have had water-fed pole systems used on their house and they're not happy with the results. This can be for a number of reasons, but primarily a lot of companies just don't do a very detailed job cleaning up behind themselves in the water-fed pole. Here at Better Window Cleaning Seattle, we clean around the frames and the sills to make sure that that area is clean and dry, and we will detail out anything on the glass that's left as far as imperfections.
Feedback is really important to us. If anything is wrong at all, we want to make sure that we nip that in the bud right away. After the appointment, we'll email you a feedback form, and if there's anything at all that you feel we could do better, that's what we're here for. That's where the name comes from. Please don't hesitate to call us, and we'll be right back out as soon as we can. We always want to make sure that you leave with a smile.